Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change a flat. Tools you're going to need: flathead, spikes, and the repair stuff. And I forgot what these called. And some rubber cement. And your air pump. We're going to be removing that right there. The tire. So the first thing you gotta do, make sure that you get your tools out and you start taking this out. Hopefully it's not in there, but you want to stick that in there, and you want to kind of like move it in a back and forth section, something similar like this. Alright, now what you're going to do, you're going to get this little warmer here and get it ready. Alright, now once you get this baby right here nice and lubricated with this rubber cement, and what you want to do, you pull out that device right there and you can stick this baby in there. I'll show you guys right now in a minute. And that should do it. Now what I would like to do, I like to add a little bit of this rubber cement right here. You don't have to, but I like to. There you go. And you can leave that right there as this. No more air coming out, as you can see. Now we're gonna turn on the vehicle. That way we can get the air pump going, and you fill it up to the specification, tire specifications, which is this one is right here, 40 psi. All right, and that's how you change. That's how you fix a flat or whatever. All right, thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment, and thank you very much.